What's up, everyone? In this video I want to talk about a beautiful trade we took inside Team Bull. This was called out live, called out my exact entries when I trimmed, and when I was completely out of this trade. That was recorded as well. J Dun's going to be posted on that. But first, before we get going, I want to point out we've had 3 beautiful trades inside Team Bull, all called out live this week. Each morning on SPY. I need the members and the people that took that with me to confirm it in the comments below, okay? Now, before we get started, I also need you, make sure you're subscribed to my channel, click that thumbs up button, and click that bell icon so you do not miss out on any of my upcoming videos. This was a really simple trade. You can see here we felt this zone. I was watching pre-market come down to this nice support here at 395, which was my original bounce level I was watching. But when it triggers pre-market like that, the trade's no longer valid. It bounced back up. What I was looking for, we talked about this on Voice before market open, was a nice pullback for entry with puts. I entered right at this prior day close. You can't see it up here, but this is what SPY closed at the day before. I do not have my indicators up on this chart, but I took my short here and I added to it once we broke above this. I actually started to stop out right here, but what happened, one thing, another admin inside Team Bull seen something I didn't see on ES, and I looked at it and said, okay, I need to hold this. This would be the place to add to my position, not stop out. But then I looked at SPX, and on the 5-minute time frame, this was simply a lower high. I said, okay, I like this. I'm going to hold this, and it just worked out beautifully. I got out of the rest of my position right here at this 39.50, which was a support area I had drawn up over the weekend. These was the levels I was watching throughout the week, the ones I give you every morning on Instagram Live. Speaking of, I go live on Instagram every single morning, create my watch list, get a game plan together, come hang out, ask questions, vibe. It's a really good time, family environment. But anyways, that was basically it. A lot of times trading is as simple as creating a solid game plan pre-market, knowing your exact plan, okay? And sometimes it just doesn't work out like that. You have to, you create all these levels. Yes, you always want to wait on your levels, unless you can identify a nice trend entry. Identifying trend entry comes from reading price action, understanding volume more, and honestly the prior day close indicator helps me out a lot as far as like spotting relative strength, relative weakness, possible reject areas. It's not always, an exact science, but you get the picture there. That's all I have for this video. Hope this helps you all out. Appreciate you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.